Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review the all new Zhyuin Crane M2, that is the 3-axis gimbal, which is suitable for mobile, GoPro and mirrorless cameras. Hope you have already subscribed to my channel. Hit the like button and hit the bell icon so that you be notified first when I upload a video. This is the best budget level gimbal for mobile, GoPro and mirrorless cameras. You can say it as an all-in-one gimbal. So without wasting any further time, let's begin the video. Okay, here we go. This is the box of the gimbal, which is made up of hard thermocol. Now let us look at what's inside the box. You get a gimbal, mobile holder, charger, tripod, a hand strap and the mounting plate of the gimbal. Holding the gimbal in the hand is a very easy task, and this gimbal is very lightweight. You get a LED screen here, you get the joystick, you get the record button, mode button, zoom in, zoom out, the power button and the menu button, and backside you get a trigger. We'll let you know its functions in the video. Now let us check out how to balance a mobile, and we'll show you all the functions of the gimbal. Balancing this gimbal is very simple. I have a huge Samsung M31 mobile. Let's see how quickly I can balance. This plate should be put inside the slot by pressing a silver button. You get two slots here. This is for the mirrorless cameras and this is for action cameras and mobile. Let's now mount the mobile. Okay guys, now let's look at some cool features, that is the modes of the gimbal. First, when you turn on, it goes to PF, that is the pan follow mode. That is, as you move your hand, it follows the same direction. Press the mode button again, it goes to the lock mode, that is, the camera is completely locked in the position. In the lock mode, you can go left or right using the joystick. Now let's go to the POV mode, that is, you can shoot in different angles for smooth cinematic shots. Press the mode button twice to go to the go mode, that is the sports mode, to take quick gimbal shots. And the last mode is vertigo, that is to take a 360-degree shot. Go to the vertigo mode and just press the joystick to the left or to the right. Okay guys, now let's look at its menu. It gets the motor setting, that is you can keep the motor in low, medium or high. You have the Wi-Fi settings. You have the history. Here as you can see, my GoPro is saved so that I can connect to my GoPro easily. Okay guys, now we'll show you how to connect your gimbal to the mobile. Go to the ZY Play app, search for the Crane M2 and connect now. It shows your gimbal, enter. You can select phone if you are shooting in the phone, or choose the camera if your GoPro or mirrorless is mounted, so that you can control. There are plenty of options in this app. You can do time lapse, you can do slow motion, panoramic and also click a photo. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Do hit the like button, that is the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are notified first. My next video will be on the Crane M2, that is the gimbal with the GoPro 8. Will be showing you how to connect and some best cinematic movements that you can do with your gimbal and your GoPro. Thank you for watching.